Hey beauties, beautiful Jay here. Today I'm coming to you guys with a braid out using my African Pride's Moisture Miracle line. If you have been watching my previous videos, I have been using these products all winter long, and the reason being is because I love the way that they smell. I love the way that they have my hair super moisturized for these colder months. So if you want to see how I got this bomb moisturized braid out, make sure you stay tuned, and also make sure you check out their products, where you can find these products at, in the description down below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you aren't already. And without further ado, let's get started. So I already washed and detangled my hair some. I'm just going to go ahead and section my hair off. You guys already know I like to section it off because it makes for an easier application of the product and just easier for me to comb through my hair. I don't like doing big sections. I get all of the tangles out and really smooth my hair out for the braid out. So I'm going to use a wide tooth comb, and I'm also going to use a denim brush when I apply the product. So the two products I am going to be using is the leave-in cream. Leave-in cream is very moisturizing to my hair. I really like it. The next thing I am going to use is put the curling cream on there, and this is just for definition and moisture. As I'm braiding my hair, I am going to use the denim brush to kind of smooth my hair throughout the braid, just to make sure that my hair is free of tangles, because you want to make sure your hair is smooth as possible. And then I'm just going to add the perm rods at the end, just to make sure that my hair doesn't come loose throughout the night, and also just to add a little curl at the end and smooth out the product. Now when I do put the perm rod on there, I make sure that I smooth my ends on there, because you want to make sure your ends are really smooth in the perm rods on there, so that way when you come out, your ends won't be frizzy. So I'm just going to finish this process throughout my hair. I really don't have a parting technique. You can part your hair how you choose to style your hair, but when I did this, I really didn't part my hair any type of way. I just kind of did the braids section by section. I only do 2 braids per section because I don't want my braids too small. I want them to be kind of big, so that way it's more definition, and also it doesn't take as long to do, because I don't like to be up doing my hair too long. So I am a lazy natural, so I try to cheat and make shortcuts for my hair. As you can see, my hair looks super moisturized. The product makes the braids look so moisturized within itself. So I really love these products for that reason. This definitely lives up to its name, Moisture Miracle, because my hair has been super moisturized throughout the winter. Now, if you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you leave a comment down below if you've tried these products out, or if you're thinking about trying them out. Now I am going to be sitting under the dryer only because my hair takes forever to dry, so I just want to sit under the dryer before I go to bed. I am going to actually be sitting under this dryer for a little close to an hour, only because my hair just really holds moisture. So I'm just going to sit under there for an hour, and then I'm just going to wrap my hair up and sleep and let it finish drying throughout the night. So when I wake up the next morning, I am going to just use the 5-in-1 oil from my African Pride. I like this oil because it is very moisturizing to my hair, and it just seals in that moisture to make sure your hair is shiny throughout the day. I like to apply this all throughout my hands like lotion, and then I just take down the perm rods, and then after I take down the perm rods, I move on to taking down the braids. Now you will see me applying more oil throughout as I take down the braids, just to make sure that I am constantly adding that oil and more sealing in that moisture on each braid. And this also helps eliminate frizz and flyaways, so that's why you'll see me adding oil as I move on to each braid. Now I am going to be taking these braids down slowly because you want to make sure that you aren't unraveling too fast and causing so much frizz. Now I do thank you so much for tuning in to my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you turn on that bell so you won't miss any of my videos, and I will see you guys in my next video.